Hi guys, it's been a long time since I have done any work on that car or anything in the garage for that matter. And today I plan to continue on the front suspension of a Pagoda, that 230 SL. Same suspension will be seen on the 108, 109 cars. So all those pieces are fully refurbished, blasted, powder coated, you name it. I jumped through all the hoops, went to the highest extent to have them finished like factory, and they are. So I have them on the bench. I mean, I made the bench in the basement because it's just too cold outside. Here is the rest of the bits and pieces, all the replacement parts, springs has been recoated. They have been cleaned and recoated again, so they look like new. There were no cracks. They were inspected prior. New bar, of course, all the steering elements and all the little pieces there, as you can see. So I will attempt to put this all together. I don't know how long this is going to take me. There's still one budge in the garage. Actually, I'm going to show you. I'm going to pause and move there. So here we go. That's the task for today. I need to clean those pieces completely. Take those grease nipples out and get whatever I can out of there and rinse this all up, wash it up nicely. Then I will tape it and blast all this stuff, get it ready for paint. Here are my spindles. I was able to disassemble everything, clean them up nicely, and get them ready to put new bushings inside. Anyway, they all cleaned up. I will just wrap them up. I try to contact some of the laser cleaning guys, but there's one company that I really like, but it's kind of far, so it's for heavy elements if I was to ship it. Plus there's a risk of damage and transport, right? In Canada it's kind of tough to get to find the businesses that you need to cooperate with. Anyway, that's that spindle. So my other option is here is to mask it really well. Actually, I may even put a fake shaft in there and lock it out completely the inside, and then blast. If I get to blast it myself, then I know that no debris are going inside where the kingpin is going. Otherwise, after the fiasco with my valve cover, I don't kind of trust anyone no more. So a lot of young people just don't understand that how important it is, and what kind of care you have to take when you're working on these older parts. We can't just go to a parts store and pick up a new one. Once the part is done, it's done. Anyway, mumble too much again. So those are the pieces here, and I may post some video as I'm going through, but I guess I'm not sure if you guys need to see me washing them, blasting them, then painting, and I will definitely start putting that front end together. So like I said, I got all the parts I need, so now it's just a matter of putting it all back together. So here are my blasted parts. As you can see, that's one set for one side. The other side came out exact same. So I had this done last night, and with the plan of painting it today. As you can see, everything came out pretty good. There's no debris left anywhere. Everything is masked off pretty good. No masking came off, so everything is well protected, all the threads, all the inside here. There's I'm happy with the way it came out. Of course the grease nipples will be changed, don't worry about it. I just kept them to protect the threads in there, so that's the only reason. Same with this guy here, it's just there to protect the threads, that's about it. But all the nooks and crannies came out beautiful. So I had that degreased first, so from what you saw last night, of course it's the next day, from what you saw last night, it's been quite a few hours to get it to that stage, to get it to that type of finish. There isn't a spot that was missed, and like I said, the same goes for the other side. So I have another set just like it for the other side. Well, the plan was to paint them today, and I attempted to put a heater in the garage, move the other car out and stuff, but Mother Nature had a different idea. So I will show you what's going on outside right now. Let me pause and get to the other side. So see, I was supposed to be painting, but Mother Nature had a different idea. Mother Nature is painting instead of me. So that's how much snow we got just since last night. So obviously I'm not moving the cars outside, and with the car inside the garage I'm not gonna be painting nothing, even that I'm brushing, but I still gotta spray some cleaners and other stuff. So I guess the paint will have to wait. We'll have to put another hold on my project.